When I say that I worked on 100 plus freelance projects during my college days, people reply the same thing. That time was different. Now there are no freelance projects. Freshers with zero ratings don't get any projects. People with ratings only get projects. I am trying, but I am not getting projects. So before discussing all these things, that how to find clients, how to reach out them, how to finish projects, let me show you something. These are few Upwork profiles that I searched for. So these all people, these all developers got projects in last 5 or 6 months, and they all started with zero ratings. So look at here. Here they started in October, and they worked on around 8 projects, and now there are 4 ongoing projects as well. Same for this profile. They started in June, July, and they completed 5 projects. 2 projects are ongoing. Same goes for this profile as well. Same for this. And you can yourself as well, you can go to Upwork and you can search there. Then you will see a lot of new developers with zero ratings, they are getting projects. Only the developers who are not trying, they are not getting projects. So most important thing, to get freelance projects, you need to apply. How to apply, how to find clients, how to reach out them, how to finish all these projects, that we will discuss in this video now. So first of all, let's talk about my freelancing experience, what I did. I worked on more than 100 plus freelance projects on Upwork, Fiverr, and I also got some projects from social media like Twitter and LinkedIn as well. So what I did, I went to Upwork at that time and I looked at the projects that people were listing, and based on all the information, I noticed that most of the clients want 4 or 5 specific type of projects. And I also get to know that there are few skills that are in high demand, and almost all the clients, all the people want those skills in freelancers. Then I spent 1 or 2 months building all those kind of projects. Like there were some ICO related initial coin offering, that related projects. There were some NFT, blockchain blockchain security, smart contracts. These type of few projects, there were projects that people were asking for. So I spent 1 or 2 months and I built all those kind of projects, and then I started reaching out to clients. So to get freelance projects, you can also do the same thing. Go to Upwork, Fiverr, and look there what type of projects people are listing, and then based on them create few personal projects so that you can reach out to them, because you need a portfolio. You don't have any ratings, you don't have any work experience, so how will you reach out to them? For that you need to create a portfolio. So look at the projects that people are posting there, what type of skills they need. So learn all those skills, build those type of projects, and then reach out to clients. There are many other ways as well to get freelance projects. You can post all the things that you are developing on social media, and people can reach out to you there as well. I hired few developers, few video editors, few like thumbnail designers from social media because I like their work. Same thing you can also do. You can post your whatever you are building on social media, and if someone will need those skills, and they can reach out to you. You think someone is likely to have work and might need your skills, then you can reach out to them as well. So now how you can reach out to them, even on freelancing platforms, even on social or in social media, how you can reach out to people. So for that you can do this thing. First of all, like whenever you are writing the cover letter, for that first of all greet them, check their location, where are they from. According to that, write a personal greeting message for them, keep it short. Then write about yourself as well, who you are, what you do. Then mention related projects in which maybe they are interested. Then briefly explain your understanding as well, that from their project requirement what you understood. So mention that as well. Show your interest in the projects, and ask them a question as well so that they can reply to you. So ask a short question, and if possible record a short video and share the link. Don't share the video directly because it takes time to process and all those things. So don't do that. Record a video about all those things and then share the link with them. So that's how they will get more interested in you, because you are putting more efforts, right? So you can follow all these things. And even after doing all these things, it takes time. And also this is where most people give up. They send proposals to 2 or 3 clients, don't get reply, and then they stop. You need to understand this thing, that getting your first client is the hardest part. it might take 2 or 3 months to get first client, and then after that you might get 10-15 projects in next 2 or 3 months, or maybe a long-term client. It depends. But none of this will happen if you stop trying. So keep trying. Now you got a project. What should you do? First of all, understand the requirement of the projects clearly. If you are confused in anything, then ask them. Instead of assuming on your side, just ask them that I'm confused in these things. What should I do here? And technically, if you don't know how to build something, then learn it. It's easy to learn, right? And then build the project with your 100% efforts. Do your best and over deliver it if you can. Like, check the product requirements. If the product requirements are very strict, then be in all those limits and build accordingly. But if you can over deliver, then try to do that. And if possible, you can deliver before time, before the deadline, then also it's a good thing to deliver before deadline. Make the UI really good. Check all the functionalities. Check in all the edge cases. Test the app completely, and after testing only deliver the app, because it could happen that there are bugs in the system and you are not testing that and you are delivering with all those bugs. Then this is a very bad thing. Don't do that. Test the entire app properly. Check all the functionalities, all the UI, everything. Test it properly and then deliver it. Also, keep your communication clearly. Tell them what you have done. Tell what you are working on, what coming next. All these things, update them as you are working on the project. Then update them that what things are done, what things are remaining. All these things, update them. Be polite, be professional, be reliable as well. This is most critical thing, a skill. Be reliable. Most of the freelance developers are not reliable, so that's why they don't get more projects from the same client. But you should be more reliable so that in future as well they can give you more projects, and this is how you will get good ratings, you will get more projects, and clients will come back to you. Keep your quality high and be reliable. So this is the summary. You already know that. And one last message from my side: keep trying, believe in yourself. You have skills, you have potential, and if you stay consistent, then definitely you will get projects. So that's all for this video. Bye bye.